Okay, kids, I am pissed. I'm gonna have to build my own hose today. It's a good damn thing I bought this. When Matt gets here with the hose, I'll explain to you. We'll go through this and we're gonna build a frickin' hose. And we're not gonna cry baby about it and say we can't do it. We're just gonna get it done. All right. So we've never done this before, but the hose guy at Western says there's no way to remove this. So what do you bet I prove him wrong? We don't know what we're doing, and we've already got the... Do we know what we're doing, Matt?
No.
We are here. Pull that pusher plug out if you can get it out. I don't know how you get that back out. Pull the collar off, and what's the book say to remove that? Anyway, we're gonna get her done, man. We're gonna get that sumbitch done. Well, it did kind of bulge him a little, didn't it?
But that deal didn't get stuck in there because you're... Oh, I guess it's not putting any pressure on that, so it doesn't really matter.
You're just pushing on the hose.
What in the hell? If I had to guess, it would be something like this, huh? To grab the hose?
What is that one? 1.5 inches. So,
Need the square one?
well, I've never seen a square one.
Right here? Oh, really? Ooh, okay. Got in there, and then you grab the hose with it, but I wouldn't pinch if the... Does the deal only come to the end?
Well, unfortunately, it's not telling us what to do there, so,
Here, let me see where the...
it's right, the end of it's right
Here.
here.
Okay, so we're good to clamp it anywhere.
See, we don't even have any instructions, and we're figuring it to Frank out.
I wouldn't stand right there.
Well, I gotta,
Oh, and we gotta take it.
yeah, I gotta get that tightened on these. Whoa, wrong button. All the way. No, I think I got just a hair to go. Covered up. Got enough hands to do this. That's Yep. It's on. Okay. Voila. We're complete. Hope it fits. Hope I did it right. Oh yeah, looks good. Looks good. My cat hose guys said, oh, that end isn't salvageable. That end will never come out because your hose blew out down here. I'll never get that out. Jeff did. So it's 1:40, and because that guy at Western wouldn't even try to take that hose apart, Matt and I had to come home, and we had to learn the hard way.
The key to efficient operation of push-pull scrapers is teamwork. For each operator must depend on the other to get his full rated load. Each must develop the right timing, speed, and coordination for an easy hookup in the cut. Each must know how to transfer smoothly from pushing to being pulled.
And the last 4 times I've ordered from those guys down there, I've said,
pulled. And each must know how and when to unhook the loaded scrapers without undue loss of momentum. Teamwork is the mark of a skilled operator. To help you develop the necessary skills, here are some operating tips on Cat push-pull scrapers.
and then they didn't put the shit in the call window. I specifically asked for them, put it in the call window. They have an after hours deal. You get it from the Spokane, get it from the warehouse, get it from the warehouse. Put it in the call window, put it in the call window. Nope, it's not there.
Case oil. Examine the air filter indicator and check the radiator when cool. After startup of both engines, but before moving the machine, make sure the controls are in good working order. Check the gauges to see if they're in safe operating range, warning lights operation, and the bail up. Check the steering. And make sure the brakes are working properly. Your operator's manual can give you additional details. For now, let's concentrate on operating techniques, particularly in the cut, where teamwork really counts. We'll cover one operator at a time, since responsibilities do differ somewhat. Say you're operating...
I'm just getting an ass full of them. It's like nobody gives a shit. Nobody cares.
The lead unit. Remember, for push-pull loading, the cut should be kept as level as possible, long and straight. And both machines should always be on the same grade when loading and unhooking. Now, let's take a typical push-pull cycle. To begin with, you can control both front and rear engines by positioning your foot as you see here. You'll want to load in the direction of...
So you can tell I'm pissed today, but it's just like, God.
...the fill if possible. So when you make your turn, you can, by simply rocking your foot, slack off on the rear engine while still maintaining power to the tractor. On any tandem power unit, applying power to the rear engine can create side thrust on the tractor, and something like this might happen. So ease up on that rear engine when making sharp turns, crossing ditches, or turning on slopes. To continue, as you let the engines slow down, the transmission will downshift automatically one step at a time to second gear, the normal loading range. As you enter the cut, lock down the cushion hitch and let up on both engine throttles. Lower the bowl and adjust the apron. You can now apply the transmission hold pedal to prevent upshifting and the differential.
I could go on and on about the nonsense.
Lock to equalize rim pull. But don't turn the machine with the differential locked, and be sure both machines are straight before hookup. Take a shallow cut. Digging too deeply can stop the scraper and delay the hookup. So go into the cut gradually at partial throttle until the second scraper makes contact.
Anyway, it's just pissing me off. So I'm here, I'm gonna start getting this hose on, see if we can get something done today. Okay, it's fixed and it works. Jeff wins. It's just too damn bad that I have to do other people's jobs. Do I sound pissy? Yeah. I lost a whole day because that guy wouldn't even try to fix that hose. It was not that difficult. But it took us a whole lot of time because I'd never done it before. Anyway. Oh well, I got my hose press set up. Now I know how to do it. I'll just do the next one myself. They've lost my business. I think we're done for a while.